Hello, I'm Shinmai. Do you like sushi? Today, it's a special video. We have tuna here. And I like to show you more counter words regarding fish. I hope you have more interest in counter words through this video. First, do you remember how to count tuna? 匹、1匹、2匹、3匹. Okay then, how will it be changed? From now, I will introduce counter words, but most Japanese doesn't use some because we are not working at the fish market. So, just take it easy and watch it as trivia. Look, it is caught. First, when catching a fish, then the counter words change to hon, as it's not alive anymore. 1本、2本、3本. Then, cut it in half, then use 丁、1丁、2丁、3丁. Cut it in half again, then 節、1節、2節、3節. Now, knife this 1/4 piece vertically. Then these chunks are called コロ。1コロ、2コロ、3コロ. Next, it becomes a familiar size. When you go to a supermarket, you will see these blocks. 1柵、2柵、3柵. And then, this blocks sliced and packed with a tray. 1パック、2パック、3パック. In the last, this sliced sashimi count with 切れ、1切れ、2切れ、3切れ. In addition, do you know how to count sushi? When sushi on the plate, then 皿、1皿、2皿、3皿. For sushi itself, use the counter word 貫、1貫、2貫、3貫. So in this case, 1皿の上に2貫の寿司があります。There is 2 sushi on a plate. It looks delicious. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございます。